Aloha and welcome to our Summer Skin Glow Essentials. Today, we're diving into 7 doTERRA products that will hydrate, calm, protect, and transform your skin this summer without chemicals, confusion, or breaking the bank. And yes, you'll get 3 easy DIYs at the end, plus a chance to grab your interactive summer playbook free. Let's get glowing. Let's start with the foundation. Clean skin that isn't stripped or stressed. All right, one of my favorites, tea tree, otherwise known as Melaleuca. It soothes blemishes, calms irritated summer skin, supports clarity. This one is a go-to. Mix it with some fractionated coconut oil as a spot treatment or skin soothe after sun or sweat. Coming in at number 2, HD Clear Roller Ball. It is pre-blended and ready to roll. It targets oily areas, breakouts, and keeps skin fresh. Use this daily, especially in humid or sweaty weather. Coming in at number 3 is Immortelle. Instead of harsh cleansers, one of my favorite things to do is to massage 2 to 3 drops of Immortelle onto dry skin to wipe with a warm cloth. It will gently remove SPF, makeup, and dirt while nourishing your skin with rose, frankincense, and myrrh. You will absolutely love it. Do you know about our Meta Power Advantage? That's right, that's number 4. Now let's talk about bringing the bounce back, because sun, salt, and sweat can dull your glow. Meta Power Advantage is one of my faves. Think of it as your inner glow fuel. Collagen, NMN, hyaluronic acid. This combo promotes firmer, more hydrated skin from within. I take one every single morning with water, and yes, I've seen the glow. Can you see it too? Number 5, don't forget your Rose Touch. Rose Touch, like a hydration hug for your face. Rose is deeply nourishing. It's great for dry, sensitive skin and total summer luxury. Dab it on your cheeks, lips, or collarbone. And a bonus tip, it's an instant mood lifter. You can't forget number 6, Correct X. Summer skin gets cuts, scrapes, and sunburns. It is the all-in-one balm. Petroleum-free, packed with helichrysum, tea tree, and frankincense. I use it as a spot treatment, lip balm, and first aid fix. And last but not least, Yarrow Palm. This blue beauty is like liquid gold, rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids. It supports collagen, tones the skin, and gives you that I just got back from vacation look. Use 1 to 2 drops at night mixed with moisturizer, or take the soft gels for full body skin benefits. Now let's turn these oils into skin-loving DIYs you'll actually use. Number 1, it's called our After Sun Soothing Gel. Take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera, 3 drops of lavender, 3 drops of tea tree, 1 drop of peppermint, mix and apply after sun exposure. Store in a small jar or travel tube. That's it. Ooh, you're gonna love this. Number 2, Dewy Glow Facial Mist. 2-ounce glass spray bottle, 3 drops of rose, 2 drops of frankincense, 1 teaspoon of witch hazel. Fill it with water, shake, and spritz after cleansing or anytime you need a pick-me-up. DIY number 3, Spot Treatment Roller Ball. Simple 10 milliliter roller ball, 5 drops of your tea tree, 2 drops of frankincense. Fill with fractionated coconut oil. Use as needed on blemishes, bug bites, or dry patches. Now let's wrap it up, but don't go yet. If you want the recipes, product links, and glow guide, comment playbook below and we'll send you a free Summer Essentials interactive playbook. Don't forget, subscribe. Tap the button below to the Wellness Influence Hub channel right now. Check out our other quick Summer Essential classes and much, much more. You'll absolutely love it. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Here's to glowing naturally inside and out. Ahui ho!